Hi, this is Mike, WB4HUC, and this is the second video on the Logic software. The first one was the introduction, and then in that video I said that I was going to make other videos to demonstrate individual features and functions of the software. So this is the first one of those individual feature videos. And this one's going to be really easy and pretty short. It's how to update the software. So Logic has done like a lot of the software manufacturers have done. They've gone to a subscription service. So you buy the software, and then each year you pay them the renewal fee, and you continue to get updates and support and maintenance and all of that. And as of right now, which is February 2017, I think the annual subscription fee is something like $36, which is similar to about the same price as some other software that I have that I also renew annually. So before the subscription service, in earlier versions of the software, the way that I would update it was go to their website, find the update file, download it, put it in a folder somewhere, then execute that file, and it would do the update. Well, now if you're running a version of the software under the subscription service, it's a lot easier. So here I'm going to go to Help and then check for updates, and then it's going to close the software. It's going to bring up this window, and the currently installed version I have is 9.1.9, and the latest update is 9.1.11. So I skipped 9.1.10, and now there's 9.1.11. So, and it tells you that here, there's an update available. You have skipped an update. However, you only need to install the latest. It includes all previous updates. So these updates are cumulative. So instead of installing this one and then this one, I only need to install this one. And then here it tells me when my annual subscriptions expires, which is going to be in November of this year. So, and then here is the update number, the date, tells you what's included in this update. If you want to go look at the previous updates, you can click over here. You can look at again the update number, the date, and the things that were included in that update. So I'm going to go back to 9.1.1, and I'm going to say install version 9.1.1. So he says he's downloading, and you can see the download taking place. Download is complete. Here's where it's located. Now this is Norton Utilities, so which is a good thing to have, but sometimes it sort of pops up when you don't expect it to. So since I know where this file came from, I know what I want to do, and I it is one that I want. So I will tell it to run this program anyway, and then I'll say always allow this file if run is chosen. So I'm going to say run this program anyway. And then here you get the Logic Setup Wizard. Close all of their applications. Well, I'm not really going to do that. Click next to continue, so we'll click next. We'll install into the following folder. This is where it's already installed, so that's what I want. It tells you how much disk space you need. Click next. And you get these options: which component should be installed, install the prefix table update, your user entries will be retained, install the PDA QSL route list, your entries in the QSL route list will be retained. So I'll just leave those checked, and then click next. Different folder, click browse. I'm just going to leave this the same. Click next. Even though it's 9.1.11, I'm just going to leave it start menu folder, program shortcut. All right, I'll tell you what, we will change this since it's the shortcut. Create a desktop icon, we'll do that, but we won't create the quick launch icon. I can always do that later if I want to. Click next. This gives you the chance to change anything or back out or stop the update. I'm not going to change anything. I'll just say install. Now I think I've seen this on other updates. So I'm just going to say ignore. I wasn't expecting this either, but what the heck. Okay, so we're almost done. So now we're going to launch the software. We'll say finish. For the first time, or has been initialized, so it's as if we're running it for the first time, but when it starts, everything will be back where it was. I'll still have all my logbook entries and any customizations I've done. All that stuff will still be there. So the screen is exactly the way it was before the update. I'm going to go over here and exit that window, and then I'm going to go over here and we'll say about, and now you see version 9.1.11 where that is, when my license was issued, to whom, and my call sign, and that's it. The software has just been updated. So that's how easy this is. You just click the update button, and of course you saw, a couple other things, I won't say got in the way, but a couple other things happened during the installation, but it all went fine. So there you go. That's pretty much how easy it is to update the software under the subscription service to the most current release. Thank you for watching.